Itong daily rituals, ito rin yung solusyon sa mga couples na hindi lumaki sa isang expressive and sweet na family. Okay, so nasa pangatlong technique na tayo. The third one is to create daily rituals to strengthen your relationship. So, nag-iisip ka, ano ba yung daily ritual? Ito yung day-to-day activities or even weekly activities that you do para mas strengthen ninyo yung marriage ninyo.
Yeah, we sleep on the same bed, but when was the last time we actually had time for each other?
Time for each other? Bakit feeling mo pinababayaan kita?
These rituals can help you reconnect. Pag nagkaroon kayo ng gap dahil mayroon kayong daily ritual, then it will help you build that, bridge that gap and reconnect to each other. Then second is build trust. And third is maintain a deep bond. So, lagi kong sinasabi, kung wala kang tinanim, then wala kang aanihin. So, itong daily ritual na ito, yung pagtatanim. Para eventually, kung meron kayong misunderstanding or conflict, meron kayong yung love tank ninyo is puno, hindi siya agad mauubos at mayroon kayong paghuhugutan ng love and trust and respect. Itong daily rituals, ito rin yung solusyon sa mga couples na hindi lumaki sa isang expressive and sweet na family. Minsan, di ba, we don't kiss, we don't say I love you, kasi hindi naman natin nakalakihan sa pamilya natin. So, itong daily rituals na ito will teach you how to do that. So, marami tayong techniques dyan. So, please review or basahin ninyo yung handout that I will share to you, and I'm sure na it will be helpful to build a strong and loving relationship. Isang example, meron kayong isang time that you set aside, like over a cup of coffee or during breakfast or after dinner, meron kayong gratitude time. Meron akong isi-share sa inyo na list of gratitude statements na pwede nyong gamitin. Pwede kayong mamili ng 3 gratitude statement na applicable sa partner ninyo for the day. So siya din, mamimili siya ng 3 at sasabihin niya yun sa'yo. Another ritual that is very effective at ginagawa ng maraming couple is yung weekly dates. So, hindi yun natatapos when you are courting each other. Itong weekly dates na to will maintain the romance sa relationship ninyo. Hindi yan dahil sweet kayo dati nung nagliligawan pa kayo and naging partner na kayo. Mas kailangan nyo yan kasi yung responsibility ninyo dumadagdag, dumadami. So, mas kailangan nyo yung mga time na yan to bond with each other. Just to recap, yung 3 techniques that we've learned today is, first, learn how to fight right. Second, is to learn the 5 languages of apology. And third, build daily and weekly rituals. So, now that you have learned, it's time to put it into action. So, yung handout natin will help you paano yan gagawin. And remember, yung conflict is part of any loving relationship. Hindi natin yan maiiwasan. But the way you handle conflict and use it as a tool to build a stronger relationship, yan yung key para mas umaba yung inyong pagsasama. If you want more guidance and personalized help in building your marriage, then send me a private message. We are glad to help. You deserve to have a happy and fulfilling relationship, and we are here to guide you and help you. Remember, change your mindset, change your life. Have a great day.